Why you have to be the first person to use your hands?
You know, adults confusing bad.
You have to learn to control your anger. You hear me say?
What exactly did you tell her about me being here?
I don't know why, cause nothing wrong with me.
Tell me what happened at school.
Don't me name what.
Sometimes it's a good, solid, right crosshook that does the trick.
Everything all right with Destiny?
You hear the full story?
She inside?
Yeah, she inside, but she talk to somebody.
Chris, you're needed. Miss me?
Whoa!